Okay, so let's further delve into slope-intercept form. So let's write out the equation, y equals 2x plus 1. I'm going to put a 1 below the 2 just for fun. I know every number's over 1. And then I'm going to write y equals mx plus b off to the right, what we just looked at on the last section. And we know b is the y int, or the yint, and m is the slope. And as you can see in the notes, we've done the instructions. So let's draw a graph. And the way we're going to do that is step 1, draw the y-intercept. So when we're looking at an equation, what's our y-intercept? Well, we have our y-intercept and our slope from the formula y equals mx plus b off to the right, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. And the first step is the y-intercept, which is 1. So we're going to put a point at 1. Put 1s on your graphs. Label your graph, x and y. Now the slope, 2, is use the slope. So the slope is 2 over 1. So we're going to go up 2 over 1 and put a point there. Then we're going to do it again. Up 2 over 1 and put a point there. Then we're going to go in the reverse process from the y-intercept down 2 over 1 in the symmetrical logical direction. Put a point there. Down 2 over 1, put a point there. Put a line through it. So it's going to be slope-intercept form. With the steps, draw the y-intercept and use the slope. Okay, so this next section we have a y-intercept of, oh, look at that. I didn't even write my points down above. 0, 1, and 1, 3. Gosh. Got to write your points down. 0, negative 1, and 3, 1. That's so funny. 3, 1 is not in the notes. So we know we're rising this and running that. And we know that earlier we learned that if we're up to the right, the slope is positive, so that better happen. And we could use slope formula from last chapter, but we'd rather just count. So we have a slope, m equals up 2 over 3. We have a y int of 0, negative 1. So y equals mx plus b. Substituting in the formula the information that we found, y equals 2/3 x. The b value is the y-intercept, minus 1. Great. So what about the example off to the right? Well, it's going down to the left, so we know the slope's negative. And you're rising 3 and running 1, so it's 3 over 1. And your y-intercept is 2, so it's y equals negative 3 over 1, x plus 2. Substituting into the all-encompassing formula, y equals mx plus b. Y equals mx plus b.